How to change a windshield wiper. Let me show you how. Hey guys, Kelsey of Z23. Let's take these old wiper blades off. To do that, we're simply going to raise the arm up, and you can just turn it and pull down both hands and just slide it off like that. And before we replace the windshield wipers, we're going to need to get some new ones. So hopefully you've gotten yours. If not, you can go to Walmart or an AutoZone or O'Reilly's, or you can even get them online at Amazon. I'll leave a link down below if you want to check them out there. But to get new windshield wipers, you're going to need to know the make, model, and year of your car. If you don't know that, check out this link right about there, and I'll show you how to find it. The ones we got today are Michelin. Now, why did we buy Michelin ones? Well, because they were on sale. Really, Rain-X, Bosch, Michelin, they're all about the same. So you're going to see there's different pricing levels, and it's the higher price ones are going to last you a little longer. Also, there's going to be two different types when you buy wiper blades. There's this kind that's got all these multi-bins in it. That's kind of the standard. It's going to be your base model, the cheaper ones. I like these right here that are the beam type. They're one single piece, and they seem to just hug the windshield a little better and give you a cleaner swipe. Now, a lot of them will have these little protective plastic pieces. We're just going to pull that off. Oh, what are these? These are additional pieces that if you didn't have the hook arm, these would go into different styles of windshield wiper arm. So since we got the hook arm, we don't need these. And if you've got the hook arm, you don't need them either. So you can just set those aside, throw them in the trash. And then we are going to pull the little rubber plastic piece off here. And now it's just as simple as lining it up, and we're going to slide it on till it clicks. Hear that click? Give it a tug. Now if we wanted to take these off, these actually have a little lever underneath them. And so we'd push it down and slide it off. Now another thing that I like to do is with my old wiper blades, say the rubber's still decent on these. So what I'll do, I'll slide them back in the package, and let's throw them in the trunk of our car. That way if you're in a winter storm away from any stores and one of these goes just completely bad, you can get out, switch it to the old one, and get yourself home safely. Hope that helps, and I'll catch you on the next one.